Hi everyone out there. I'm Samson. A couple of months back, before I started learning Forex, all I can see in Forex chart was graphs and lines in which I don't know what they represent. But ever since I came across this family on Facebook, which is the Forex for Beginners Academy, I've learned a lot. Now I can read and analyze the charts. I've also learned risk management, and I've also learned how to make use of tools like the Fibonacci retracement, arrow tools, Pearl channels. And the group also has a private student group in which, when you're learning, you post your charts for review and you ask questions, and Sad is there to answer all your questions. And I want to use this opportunity to thank him a lot for teaching me this Forex seriously. And a lot of people that wanted to learn Forex, I'm advising you guys to come to Forex for Beginners Academy, which is 100% absolutely free. Oh, thanks, Sad. We're much more grateful. Love you.